A public hearing was held at Chutmoosdai on 4 March 2022 by the Deputy Commissioner of Jowai to dialogue with the residents of the area on the government's plan to create a facility for the dumping and disposal of waste in Chutmoosdai. The hearing was marked by notes of resistance and skepticism displayed by those in attendance. There were widespread doubts amongst them about the government's ability to ensure a safe and healthy system to deal with waste, going by its failure to address the present waste dumped at Martin, Shillong. Attempts on the part of government officials present at the hearing to assure the residents of a better outcome with the new dumping and disposal facility was only met by more skepticism and disdain.
Shillong lane chugi temut kaya kata kasin bu pensena kata pai ba atau laun smutu belum tur mo pai ba smutur nong cuba bila nong ni in snagi kita filter kita nadong yawan ngai magpenai kita kata Shillong dia snagi tel ai dah kemadi tengai nong dah kemat ai mun wan pembek kisi national kodong ida lele ngai dah tengah Ambil ngah kene aku wi kuang nong dak apa burom ya kisehet mulos lu bi kesur jong pai ba persya pai ba ka tebut ngada ka ba burom ya ke sorkar mut hoi ger le di bor mut ir tam na ling pai ba mut kwa ahiren ambil le persya ya sorkar mut hoi ger